Hi, I'm Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. In this video, I'm going to explain why I chose TenantCloud as the cloud-based software solution to manage my apartment portfolio, the benefits of the features I use in TenantCloud, in addition to why I recently decided to upgrade my plan from the free basic version to the $9 per month standard version. If you like this video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing to my channel, and clicking the bell. Let's start with why I chose TenantCloud. As a quick background, my bachelor's is in engineering and my MBA is in finance. So let's just say I'm highly detail-oriented, knew exactly what I needed in the program I was looking to find, and I completed an exhaustive search of the options within my criteria. Well, my criteria evolved and changed a little as I dove into researching all of the various options. I had a few features I couldn't compromise on. So let's dive into the features that convinced me to choose TenantCloud and why I'm not just sticking with it, but upgrading my plan to use additional features. Starting with the big picture. As a landlord, your success is really dependent on selecting, communicating, and developing a relationship built on trust with your tenants. One of the best ways to do that is by having a platform that encourages transparency and open communication from any device. This includes the full life cycle with each tenant, and having it all on one platform is exactly what I needed. I will start with all of the features that are available in the free basic version, which is what I have used over the past 2 years to manage my 8 properties with 31 apartments, and then I'll explain the pay features and why I upgraded. With any program, you'll need to start by inputting your properties. TenantCloud allows you to set up the general property information and then drill down to set up each individual unit. You can just input the basics or dive into the detail with key numbers, paint formulas, flooring, mechanical specifications, utilities, and model numbers, along with pictures and any other documents you'd like to attach to the unit. This can be edited or added at any time. After inputting all of your property information, including uploading photos and a unit description, TenantCloud will list the property on your own customizable TenantCloud website, in addition to listing on Oodle, Apartments.com, Rentals, Rentaler, Facebook, and several other rental websites. All of this is completely free, including your personal branded website for your listings. You can also opt in for the Zillow group of sites, which includes Zillow, Trulia, and HotPads, but Zillow does require a separate agreement before they will accept any listing from any site, including TenantCloud. Personally, I also put up a sign on the property and list my available units on a few other free websites to increase my reach. But whenever a prospect is ready to apply, I send them to my personal branded TenantCloud website to complete the application that I customize to my needs. I have another video where I explain exactly what I include in my application and how I screen and qualify tenants. TenantCloud allows you to set your application fee. I set mine at $50 per applicant. TenantCloud accepts credit cards, and the full $50 will be transferred to your account in a few days after the transaction is completed. After receiving and reviewing the application, I order the full check report package for $35, which includes a full credit report with credit score, criminal background check including sex offender and most wanted searches, social security verification, address history, eviction, and a bankruptcy check. The report is received within minutes of submitting the request. You can set it up to have the tenant pay for it, but I prefer to receive the application fee and then run the report myself. Now, what is really nice is that if you approve the tenant, you can simply check a box to approve, and all the information the prospect filled in on the application slides right into their tenant profile in the system, including recording the $50 application fee in the accounting section. Now, all you need to do is get the lease signed and enter the lease into TenantCloud. All of my apartments are either 2 or 3 bedroom apartments, and my tenants are mostly in a roommate situation, with each roommate preferring to pay separately. TenantCloud allows you to choose the option to have one invoice for the entire unit, with all tenants being jointly responsible, or have separate invoices for each tenant. Since I write one lease for the unit that all roommates sign, I choose the option where all tenants see the full invoice and they are all jointly responsible for the full amount. But it's great to have the option to do it differently. There are options to set up late fees, which will be charged automatically on a set date, or you can do them manually. I set up my invoices to be sent to each tenant on the 15th of the month, and then send reminders on the due date, which is the 1st of each month for me, and also when it is late, which would be on the 6th of the month if the rent hasn't been recorded. From a landlord side, you can have these notices sent to you as well. I choose not to receive them, but the option is there. TenantCloud offers several options to receive rent. With the free version, the only free options are through other services, such as Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, or receiving regular checks, which are the methods I have used for years. Or the tenant can use a credit card through TenantCloud, but as expected, the fee is fairly high and the tenant would need to pay it. I have had a few tenants use this feature, but it has been rare. Now, since I signed up for the standard version, which is $9 per month or $90 if you prepay for the year, I can offer my tenants the ability to send free ACH payments each month in addition to the other options. I have separate bank accounts for each property, so I was able to assign a bank account to each property and the ACH payments will go directly to those accounts, which is going to reduce the time I spend each month collecting rent. All versions, including the free version, allow tenants to message you through the application, edit their contact information, see all their invoices, payments, a copy of their signed lease, or any other documents that you upload. Tenants can also apply for renter's insurance through the platform if you'd like, in addition to submitting and viewing progress of maintenance requests through the platform. As a landlord, you can take care of the work yourself or hire a company directly through TenantCloud. Personally, I do a lot of repairs myself or through the network of people that I have developed over the years, but it is great to have a backup network of contractors in case I ever need some help with anything. The program is incredibly robust for a free online property management program. I really like that I can use the features that work for me, but don't have to use them all. Even the free version has some reports that you can run, but to get more reporting, you'll need to upgrade to one of the paid versions. I used the free version for over 2 years with my entire portfolio, so I know you don't need to upgrade, but as you grow, you'll probably enjoy some of the added features, and upgrading is very smooth, as the additional features just show up when you upgrade. With the free version, I would use an outside service to sign all of my leases online, which worked really well, but those costs do add up as your portfolio grows. To add continuity to your process, the standard $9 per month version of TenantCloud includes online lease signing. Whether you use TenantCloud or another online program, online lease signatures are, in my opinion, the only way you should be signing leases at this point. It's fast, legal, and much easier for everyone involved. I have honestly been using TenantCloud for years and sincerely believe it to be the best platform for my rental management needs. It is an incredible value, and I really don't know how they can provide so much functionality for free, but they do, and there isn't a catch. They have even been super responsive to all of my support needs while I've been a free user. Who does that? If you've been thinking about it, I tell you to just sign up and try it. You have absolutely nothing to lose other than a little bit of your time, and I'm sure you'll be just as impressed by it as I was. Please use the link below. It's obviously an affiliate link, and I'd appreciate the referral, but whether you use the link or don't, it doesn't change what I've said about TenantCloud and what they're offering for free. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on why I use TenantCloud as my cloud-based rental management software solution, and really hope you find as much value in this program as I have over the years. If you'd like to hear more from me, please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell. Please like this video, and I'm happy to answer any questions you leave in the comments as well. Thank you for watching. Kenton knows.